Here's a quick tutorial about how to use Saturn app. So you can see this app just before the school season is in the top charts of social networking and in the top charts overall in US. So this is like kind of like Facebook for pupils, for for people who are studying in school, for high schoolers. And it's like, yeah, it's like social network if you're in school. This app adds both productivity and social element to your everyday school life. Super interesting app. I think you can only get it on iPhone and iOS right now. It's not available yet on Android. But yeah, let's just dive into it. So yeah, the idea is that you just create an account with your phone number, and then you need to, yeah, I think it's only available in US though, but it's already available in more than 16,000 schools. So yeah, you just created your account, then you need to find your school in this app. Hopefully it will be available. If not, then well, you still can add it, but that there won't be that many friends there. So you just add your school, and then you can just create your own schedule. You can see the general schedule of the school, like when there are lunches, when there is some advisory and all of that. Then you can just share your own schedule, just take a photo of it and then upload to the app, and it will recognize it. And then you will see countdown for every class. You can share your classes with friends to know like the schedule of your friends, and then it's just easy to see. And then compare calendars with friends. Then you can chat. Then additionally, you can see all of the like school dashboard and additional events, additional clubs, and all of that. So let's just open it up. So here, for example, just for the sake of this tutorial, I added the school, and you can see that there is like a, still 28 days left for the summer break until specific months. So then you can see you might know some friends which you might add, like, so you can just tap add to request. You can also invite friends just from here, just share an invitation code like that. So that's basically how you can share an invite. You can also then just manage your friends from here. I think you will be able to see who sent your friend request or how to accept it from here. And yeah, so then if you want to see your calendar, that's basically your calendar in the school. You can see there is summer break, and for example, and then there is like classes starting from like 7th. Then you will see like the general schedule, which is like advisory from 3:25 to 3:40. Then there is lunch and all of that. That's like your general schedule. And then if you want to add classes, you can just add them from here, from your home screen. Just add a class. So then you just need to select period to add or edit a class. So there are already some classes added. So then just pick your class for a specific period. There is a handy guide here. So the grid represents your schedule. Tap a bubble to start. Pick your class, pick your teacher, finally confirm your periods, and move on to the next class. And from here, you will see all the available classes in this school. So what you want to add. For example, I just want to learn some Spanish. Then you can just select some teacher, or class has no teacher. You can also add a room if you know, and then just tap save class. And then you basically join the class, and then it will just appear in your schedule. So it's pretty handy. You will see all the list of your classes for different periods. Then you can just tap here to edit the class, and then you can just change the class itself. You can change the teacher. You can edit times, just add some additional times, for example. And then add the room. If you don't like or some other things, you can just tap delete class in the bottom. And yeah, you can just always edit the class. Like then you just go to the class itself. You can see meeting times. Then if you want, you can add classmates to this class. Just invite your classmates to here. And then there is your icon top right where you can again edit class. You can just leave the class in the bottom if you don't like it. And also there is like a QR code where you can just share it with your friends. So if you just already generated the schedule for this class, you can just share it with your classmates. So then, yeah, you will see all your friends here. Then basically, this is like your school schedule. In some cases, if you just join the school and there are like only 20 students on Saturn app, there is no school schedule. So maybe you will be the ones who uploads the school schedule to this app. Otherwise, in many schools, if there are a lot of users, they already have the school schedule and you don't need to upload it. So Saturn is powered by students. Search for different schedule to changes. Still can find it. Submit your missing schedule at the bottom of this page. So that's what you can do. And yeah, so that's the idea. And then you have a calendar. Again, then you have bulletin. Bulletin is just basically all the events, games, all of that. Just basically a digital school dashboard. You will see who is posting what, which announcements are there. You can also add your own event, like some basketball game or something when it starts. You can change the visibility, location, description, add link. You want image, like similar as you create some event in Facebook groups or something like that. But this is just related to your school. So if you want to, just play some chess or whatever, volleyball, then you can just add it here in the dashboard. Then you just have people which are available here. So these are all like students in the school. Then you can just add some of the people as your friends, and then you can DM. So this is a new feature. So now you can send personal messages in this app. You can send friend requests. You can block or report. So yeah, and then this is like basically your profile where you can edit your classes from here. You can edit your profile. Add some change profile picture, add some socials, but like overall in this app now it also supports like Snapchat login, so you can easily log in just with your Snapchat, and it will also add your Snapchat Bitmoji. So that's what it is. Then in top right you can again edit your profile. You can easily contact support. More options. If you just tap that, then you will just easily delete your account in the bottom. Just be careful if deleting your account is permanent, and all your friends, all your schedules will be deleted. And if you then want to restore your account, you will need to start from scratch. So you will need to again confirm your phone number, add your school, and all of that. So it's not like in some other apps like in Be Real, where if you deleted your account, you can just restore it by logging back in like in 14 days or something. Here, if you delete it, just be careful, it's permanent. You still can create account with the same phone number, but you will just start from scratch. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the app. Chat, here you have it in the top right. You can also start a DM group chat. So this is, you can start a chat, then you can just join the class chat, contact support, or I guess you can just join the different chats for the different classes, which is also quite handy, just to share some tips, homework, discuss the class, whatever. And this app feels like not just if you're just doing some boring stuff at school. It just feels much more relaxed and kind of like social media kind of vibe. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. So definitely give it a try. Yeah, as I said, unfortunately, it's not on Android yet. I don't know when it will be released. You can go to their website joinsaturn.com and you can see only Apple logo there. So it's not yet on Android. So your friends who are on Android won't be able to use it yet, but hopefully they will release it soon because this app got a lot of traction. And like I tried it out last year or something like that, but then it wasn't that viral. This year seems it's really catching on. So give it a try.